So we will discuss. Yes.
Amna Shafiq is saying कि record thing कर लें because
Recorded. We're doing this after. Why have to format it? Okay. So let's start. So the way we will be defining functions in Python will be use def. Def is used to define the function specifically. So we use the word def as a short form for definitions, and after that you can name any way. Now there are some reserved keywords that we will be using for Python. I will share that with you just the way we have for JavaScripting, but you can name it anything. For example, I can name it as my function, whatever I may want. So while you're naming the function, remember obviously you have to put these the brackets, and you always have to close it. This has to close with colon. Okay, so remember there's some rules. This is some rules, very limited rules. So your function has to start with def, and your function name comes in. Yes, beta.
सर मेरे घर ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरा डाटा चल रहा है तो आप काइंडली रिकॉर्ड करके अपलोड कर सकते हैं
बेटा मैं कर दूंगा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है मैं सेकंड पार्ट भी रिकॉर्ड कर दूंगा
थैंक यू सर
So what I have over here is this colon. You have to put this because if I don't put this, there will be an error. Okay, so enter and I will see it indents itself. It did not go over here because when it starts from here, it means this is the part of my function. I'll write over print, and let's say in double quotes I can write anything over here. Okay, this is no, and then obviously the important thing is if I simply run this, I don't get an output. Hamna, why I don't get an output? It's a generic question. It's not related to Python. I'm JavaScript and we discussed that question. Yes. Map says syntax. Obviously, I don't expect you to know the syntax of Python just in few classes. It's a generic issue जो मैंने resolve किया. I did define a function, and this function is simply printed.
You didn't end it with that colon.
No, there's no syntax error.
You haven't figured
there's
the
a
function.
conceptual error. Beta, Aisha, there's a conceptual error. And मैं इसलिए आपको involve करने चीजों में क्योंकि आपको पता हो मैं क्या discuss कर रहा हूँ. हम रट्टे नहीं लगा रहे चीजों को. Okay? There's a conceptual error. There is no syntax error. No way. मैं आपसे syntax अभी expect भी नहीं कर रहा. Gradually आएगा आपको. We have defined a function. We talked about event handling in JavaScript. What was event handling? What was event handling? That functions have to be triggered. They have to be called. If you don't call a function, what's the point of function? If I simply print this out perfectly fine, it will work. It will print it out. Magar it's just printing it out. Function का ये होता है कि function is a module, and whenever you want that module to be triggered, you call the function, you call the module. So in one software code, you might have hundreds of functions, and every function is doing something. मैंने जब Java character में बताया था, तो Facebook page में, Twitter में, when you click on the button and it counts increments by 1, a function at the back end increments the value by 1 at that particular placeholder. So whenever you perform any event, an event is being triggered. इसलिए ये कोई कुछ आउटपुट नहीं दे रहा क्योंकि I should have actually done is I used my function and called it. Now if I run this, obviously it says this is not a, why is it working now? Because this was my function, but it was not being referred to anywhere. I'm referring it to point number 4. Sorry. So it's working. You are all noting it down.
So my function.
My function is I'm calling my function. And please remember, when you have to call my function, you don't have to end it with the colon. Okay? Definition में colons हम end करते हैं. जब उसको call back करते हैं, we don't end it with a colon, please. अब एक छोटे-छोटे rules में मैं emphasize करता रहूँगा. ये अगर rules आपको आ गए, there's nothing. This is the only language with limited codes. अच्छा क्वेश्चन आप ये सोच रहे होंगे, I'm sure you might be thinking of it. कि सर JavaScripting में जो फंक्शन आते थे, we used to have the curly bracket और स्टेटमेंट को curly bracket में डालते थे, हमें पता चल जाता था कि ये स्टेटमेंट है ना अर्फा? जावास्क्रिप्ट का याद है ना, हम फंक्शन बनाते थे, कर्ली ब्रैकेट लगाते थे स्क्रिप्टिंग के लिए और हम कोड वहां लिखते थे। अगर हम वो कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज ना करते फिर वो एरर आता था। Remember, do you remember that? C++, Visual Basic, all these languages depend on curly brackets. Python does not. अब Python ने किसी चीज पे डिपेंड करना है ना, Python depends on indentation. We have to take care of indentation, which again gradually you will learn when you whatever you have to indent, what you don't have to. For example, मैं आपको explain करता हूँ, कोई brackets नहीं है ना इधर, मुझे क्या पता क्या कर रहा है, मगर indentation है। Now if I tap this once and if I run this again, okay, it doesn't give me any output. No, everything is correct. Why is it not working? It's giving me process finish with execute code. जब ये आपका error आ रहा होता है ना, तो इसका मतलब आपने फंक्शन को properly call नहीं किया। क्या मतलब है ये? The point is that I defined a function और यहाँ से I'm displaying the statement of my function. Now, if I want to call my function, the function needs to be called where it has been defined. You see, it has been defined where? Here. So, on the extreme left side. Where am I calling the function? On the extreme left. So, we learned a rule that whenever we define a function and whenever we have to call the function, they have to be symmetrically on the same line. And this line is vertically I'm talking about. हम ना vertical line की बात कर रहा हूँ। मेरी बात समझ आई है? देखो, there are certain rules that we have to obey as far as Python is concerned. और ये rules आपको जल्दी आ जाएंगे। Every language has their own rules. ये rules हमें पढ़ना है। Any question? हम ना? Great, fine.
So what if we write the print one to the left side?
No. अच्छा, ये भी है, जो print आप कहना वो indent होना चाहिए। अच्छा, एक और बात, वो चल देखो, वो indent होना चाहिए। There's one more interesting thing. You brought me to another part. Let's discuss that. So let's say if I want to print something else, okay, something else, और मैं इसको रन करता हूँ तो obviously this will work. मैं गलती से उसको indent कर देता हूँ one step ahead. It will give me an error. मैं इसको गलती से indent कर देता हूँ one step back. Okay, it will work. ये इससे आगे नहीं जा सकता। Sorry? जी वो पहले हो रहा है ना, मगर एक्चुअली होना क्या चाहिए? This should be in the same line. अगर आप print statement कर रहे हो ना, फिर काम करेगा वो, काम तो कर रहे हैं, मगर print होना चाहिए same line पे। So printing भी आपकी जो है ना, वो एक sequence में जाएगी। कौन सा? You try to answer me. सोचो क्यों? What is indentation got to do with printing? जो पहले indentation में आ रहा है उसको पहले ट्रीट कर रहा है, जो बाद में indentation में आ रहा है, देखो it works on indentation rule. मैंने तो पहले बताया, उसमें indentation के थ्रू रीड करना है, not the brackets. मैं indentation के सारे rules आपको अभी इसलिए नहीं बता रहा, it will create more confusion than solving it out. That's the way Python has to be. Gradual choices करते जाएंगे, मैं आपको rules बताता हूँ, ठीक है? अच्छा, are you noting it down, Uswa, Nisa? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving time for you to note it down as well, so I can. So that's the way we can work with functions. So we can even put some values within functions as well. For example, I can have over here. I can have x over here, and I could say over here is, let's say, print. I could say over here is x, let's say, multiplied by x, and I could say over here is print 24. Okay. What's happening in this case? Uswa, you tell me.
Sir, it's going to print that multiplied and that's asterisk sign.
Yeah, but the important thing is,
And then it's going to multiply 4.
Absolutely.
4.
but we have not discussed this even in Java. मैंने पैरामीटर्स आप लोगों से डिस्कस नहीं किए हो Java में. बिल्कुल भी नजर नहीं आपको. प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा है. अभी कहाँ रहा था मैंने कहा कि क्या तुझे तो मैं समझता है इसको ना तो how could you manage this? मैं इसको वाइट कर दूं. 1 second. Where is it? Better? Much better, huh? Okay. So this is what we have. So बेटा बिल्कुल with the knowledge that you have आपने आंसर बिल्कुल सही किया है. मगर obviously I have not taught you this. Let me teach you now. We can put parameters inside functions. हमने parameters आज तक निकाले. When you put any variable, any number or whatever inside the function, it's known as a parameter. You can have a parameter, you can have parameters. हम दोनों discuss करेंगे. How to have multiple parameters. So what I've done is my function can take parameter x, and what I'm doing is I'm printing x multiplied by x, and then I'm calling my function 4, which means the parameter value 4 has been applied. So 4 apply ho gaya. So what happens when I call the function? It sees that inside the function I have a parameter value 4. It goes back to the function and says, okay, I have 4. Okay, can you process 4? It goes and processes and prints 4 by 4. That's the way it works. Okay, so this is how you call parameters. This is how you assign parameters within your functions.
There are 2 different numbers का कैसे होगा?
Different number क्या मतलब बेटा?
मतलब 2 different numbers, ये तो x into x, अगर x into a हो तो फिर हम my function में क्या
आप ये कह रहे हो, अगर मैं कहता हूँ a x comma y, तो I could say over here is y and 2. Is this what you're saying?
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. ठीक है, समझ आया बेटा?
So why have we used the double with print those के लिए डाल कर
इसके अंदर
the print bracket
ये brackets.
इसके अंदर हमने print डाली
ओ देखो, अगर मैं इसको डबल कोट्स डाल देता वो तो स्ट्रिंग बनता है. यूजर डिफाइंड.
प्रोसेस करने के लिए नहीं डालते.
नो वो तो हमने जावा में भी नहीं डाला. वो तो हम किसी लैंग्वेज में ही डालेंगे, because if you put in double quotes you converting to string. Variable को distinctively consider करने के लिए x has to remain as an x. हमने, you get the point. You can't put in double quotes. मैं आपको इसकी अभी मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ इसके बाद, ठीक है? We'll talk about it. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Functions. Okay. This is the beginning of function. This is the way we define it, so on and so. जी हो ये रहा है कि जब मैं my function लिखता हूँ 4 into 2, तो ये इवेंट है, ठीक है? वो my function को कॉल करेगा. तो वो जब वापस जाता है वो देखता है कि value x is 4 and the value y is 2. When it goes back, तो वो उसको साइन करता है. जब असाइन करके वैल्यूज के अंदर when it goes to the statement, वो कहता है कि जो भी x and y है, you please perform this operation and print it out. So this triggers this. Remember that. उल्टा नहीं है. Get the point? So when you call it, goes back. देखता है क्या करना है, वो करने के बाद प्रोसेस के डिस्प्ले करता है. Yes, beta. Nisa, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any problem?
No, sir.
नहीं
Yes.
नहीं this is
अनिशा, आपके इंशाल्लाह प्रॉब्लम हम शाम को सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है? It has to work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
जी, sir.
Okay. मैं can I continue? Can I delete this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब मैं input को डिस्कस करूंगा. So I just make a bit lengthy example. अब you get it. Let's say I have s name. The function आता है. And I would say is n equals to input. And your name, return n. And then I'll define another function. And say
यहाँ पे do we need to define के जो है input जो के लिए जो भी user के लिए आएगा वो text box आएगा या whatever?
नहीं, we can do it, मगर वो एक different level है. उसको अभी हम discuss नहीं करते. अभी
यहाँ पे automatic
I will just demonstrate that. It's not that thing. अच्छा, क्योंकि हाँ, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Just give me a second. मैं बताता हूँ. मैं complete कर दूँ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
And then what we do is let me give it a different name. Fasil, I want absolute silence.
Sir, square brackets नहीं use होते हैं. Why are we using curly brackets?
मैं बताता हूँ बेटा आपको. मैं कर दूँ बस. Okay, right. So it's a different thing I'm discussing with you because subject function discuss कर रहे थे. So apart from the function, we'll talk about return. We'll talk about how to display the result. Now, what's happened over here is I have two functions, def s name, and I take a variable and I take the input. No problem, right? Any problem? Return n का मतलब ये होता है कि whatever I input, the value will be returned back in the variable. So I type in something, the value gets stored in the variable temporarily. Same way, मैं subject define किया and S stores the variable over here and returns S. Whatever is there, it returns the value in S over here. Then I take another variable, okay, and whatever was returned in S name goes into name, and whatever was returned in subject goes into sub. Any problem? I repeat, whatever was returned in S name goes into name, and whatever was returned into subject goes to sub. Printing may, how does it work? Yeah, beta, अब functions को whenever you have to display them in your print statement, this is the way it basically works. Your name is, this comes in the double quotes. It should work even without this, let me check, but we always put them in just like an array. So let's say if I enter here तो बेटा की बात है
No, sir, I just
okay, right. It still works, but I would always prefer you के whenever, okay, these curly brackets जो आप question हम क्यों use करते हैं, curly brackets हमने तब use करने हैं, you see this is my string. Nisa, can you hear me? This is my string. So string के अंदर अगर मैंने किसी variable को use करना होता है, we don't put in double quotes, but I'm not contradicting the statement. In order to do that, Python में क्या करते हैं? Python में अगर मैंने किसी भी चीज को display कराना है, we use this as a placeholder. This means it's a placeholder. This means a placeholder. अब, if you don't write in your placeholder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, your indexing of the functions, it works. But I would always prefer you to write with indexing, which means 0, 1 का मतलब ये होगा कि 0 means that display mean the very first variable that you have. 1 means the second variable that you have. Okay, dot format name sub. अब dot format को use किया another story. Dot format मैंने इसलिए use किया, मैं चाहता हूँ पहले name आए और फिर sub आए. Okay, so if you want to display multiple things, you'll say you have 5 things of different format, name, comma this. So you have all the comma separated variables that will be defined over here. Yeah, I just.
So what does format do exactly?
Format basically displays you the output format. That is, which you see, your name is Nisa and your subject is this. So format is doing is that, so your name is Nisa gets displayed over here and your subject is CS. CS gets displayed. So first name comes, then sub comes. So it arranges them in a sequence. I will talk about this later on. जब एडवांस जाके के 0 to 1 के करने का फायदा क्या होता है, अभी बस let's stick to it. Yeah, we do it this way. You have placeholders, and if you want to place placeholders, you just put these. You can have them empty. You can have them empty, no problem. Magar, it's preferred that you write indexing. We'll talk about later on with this. Is it clear? Yeah, I know I have
Sir,
to. Yeah, just a minute.
Can you please repeat कि आपने dot format name comma subject इसलिए किया क्योंकि आपने
What is name? What is name? You can see एक sequence में जाते हैं. So I made a function over here. Okay, this function basically takes the input and returns it back to the function. And then I have subject where I take the subject from the user and I return that subject back to the function. Now what's happening is that my subject holds your name, your subject, and your name holds your sname function holds your name. So I have 2 different values stored in these 2 functions. When you come to the line number 9, you assign another variable which is equal to sname. So this another variable comes in, a new variable name that is equal to sname. So whatever is in sname goes into name, whatever is in subject goes into sub. So now what you have till line number 9 and 10, you just have name and subject, and within the name you have Nisa, and within subject you have the CS. Now all you do is you print it out. While you print it out, you have is a string. You have a string, you can see, but within the string you want some placeholders that will have the values of my variable. So these placeholders, I actually will do is they will display me the value of the placeholders. Okay. And then dot format means that in which particular format we want this placeholders to appear, which, and which. So format name, comma, sub means first name should come, then sub should come. Is it clear to some extent?
Yes.
Not very complicated, by the way. Please note it down. So we talked about functions, we've talked about input, we talked about return, and we talked about string, and we talked about placeholders. Multiple things. These all they will amalgamate and become a program बना सकेंगे बाद में. Yeah, I'll go slow. Don't worry, मैं बहुत चीजें नहीं कराऊंगा, मगर मुझे 2-3 और कराने दो please. I know इतना slow चलेंगे तो फिर होगा नहीं. तो string manipulation, array manipulation की basic parts हैं. If condition basic. Functions, classes is advanced. ये अब advanced तरफ जा रहे हैं. Classes is way advanced. It comes in P4. मगर मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं classes भी आपको A1, A स्तर में करा दूं. Okay. Have you noted down? Can I continue? Everyone? Aisha? Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I continue? This means can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In order to save time, मैंने open किए होंगे ना. Not right now. Okay, Aisha, can you explain me what's happening over here? You can note it down first. You note it down first, फिर मुझे बता देना. जी,
Okay.
it's quite the same thing, but with different angle. Have you done JavaScript? Okay. And how was it? Most important. I know. We'll do it again, inshallah. समझ आ गया ना आपको? हाँ, yeah, sure. Yeah. No, you see what's happening previous. So you have to obviously run this. So that's the output. मैं उससे पूछना चाहता हूँ. चलो नहीं, ठीक है. Aisha, did you get it? So I would like you to okay, let me do it. So I have a function that has two parameters, x and y. There are two parameters. Now, whenever you have parameters within a function, they are separate through a comma. You will get used to it. It ends with this. Then I'm printing what? I'm just printing a string, and I'm saying is value of x is equals to comma x, and print this y. No, pretty easy. Return x and y, which means whatever you have performed over here, please return the value of x and y after multiplying. So when I print, now this is something interesting that we have not discussed before. If I say print multiply y to x4. So multiply convert, I have defined what is y and what is x. And you see the order is also different. That doesn't matter. So x and y को multiply करेगा and say so the value of x is 4, the value of y is 2, return xy multiply kiya and gives me 8. Yes or no? Just a random different example.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, if you had only written 2, 4, would this be the same?
Where?
Instead of y is equals to 2, if you had just written 2, 4.
Absolutely.
But sir, it will fail by the activation.
Sir, why have we put a comma in comma x then comma y in
Oh.
line 2 and 3?
Over here? नहीं, over
2
here.
and 3.
नहीं, 4 and
Line.
line 2 and 3. No.
Yes.
देखो, in print we print, right? जब मैं print कर रहा हूँ, I want it to print value of x. I want it to print this string, and then I want it to print the variable output. 4 क्या है? 4 variable था x का. 2 क्या है? Variable था y का. जब return x करते हैं, तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Multiply 4 and 2. So 4 gets returned to x and y gets 2 gets returned to y.
Oh, I get it.
You get the point. ये printing लिखी है ना? I can't put double quotes here. I want a string